For the past 7 days, I've been trying to make money by watching YouTube videos, following the steps outlined in a specific video. In this video, I will be sharing my results, the steps I took, and finally, I will tell you if this method actually works or if you should look for another way to make money online. The first step the lady in the video mentioned is to go over to YouTube and look for a particular video to watch. She suggested looking for videos on topics such as physiology, crime, and similar subjects. She also recommended specific YouTube channels to try this strategy with. One of the channels she mentioned is called The Bright Side, which I'll be using for this example. First, I'll open one of their videos. The first thing she instructed is to go to the share button and copy the video link. That's step 1. Step 2 involves going to youtubetranscript.com, pasting the video link in the provided box, and clicking Go. This tool will turn the video's content into text, providing us with the script. Next, we need to copy all the text, or scripts, and paste it into a Word or Notepad document. While she recommended using Google Docs, I'll be using Word for this demonstration. Once you've pasted the script, the next step is to arrange the text properly. After organizing the article, copy it again and paste it into an AI paragraph writer. In her video, she used phrase, but I'll be using copy.ai because it's free. Paste the text into copy.ai and click Submit. The AI paragraph rewriter will create a completely new article. The final step is to copy this article and paste it onto a website called vocal.media. Unfortunately, vocal.media is currently not working, possibly due to my internet connection. However, it was working a few minutes ago and was functional during the past 7 days when I tested this strategy. Now, let's talk about the results I achieved by following the steps outlined in the video. What were the results I got, and can you actually make money doing this for yourself? Now, I actually tried this, like I said, and I literally did not make any money. I'm going to be explaining why I didn't make money and why you too probably won't make any money even if you try this strategy out. She basically titled this video, "Make Money Watching YouTube Videos," but the truth of the matter is that you're not going to be making any money watching YouTube videos. The entire process she described is not about watching YouTube videos but turning a YouTube video script into an article and posting it on this website. Now, how do you actually even make money from this website? You have to get your articles that you're going to be posting on this website seen by at least 10,000 people to make $38. So, if you get your article seen by 10,000 people, you're going to be making $38. How exactly are you even going to get your article seen by 10,000 people in the first place? That's the real question you should be asking. So, like I said, this is not going to work for you because it is completely crap. And if I'm being honest, you should honestly not even try this out because it literally doesn't work. Now, there's a common misconception about making money online, and I see a lot of beginners fall into that trap, especially when they start out. And this is what makes them think that making money online is a scam, when it's not. In order to actually make money online, there's something that is very, very crucial. And that thing is that you need to be selling something. So, you need to either be selling a product, a service, or something to actually make money. And that's why all these videos centered around watching videos and listening to music will literally not work for you because they are completely, and even if they work, they're not going to make any serious money at all. And that's why I honestly always advise beginners to focus on learning valuable internet marketing skills like affiliate marketing, SEO, and all these things, which are actually real skills that when you actually put them into practice, you can make a lot of money with. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want me to actually make more of this type of content where I go through different make money online videos and try them for myself to see if they work, then let me know in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to make more of these types of videos for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Make sure to click on the next video showing on my screen right here, where I go into more powerful affiliate marketing content.